Today on Tommy Bird, Mom, aka Diane, gets her revenge for not being able to be a part of the mystery drink episode. Thomas is currently here. He's outside being a douchebag, as always. So, what are we doing here? What are we doing here, Mom?
This is an Italian sub sandwich that I'm adding something we picked up. It's concentrated goulash, whatever, for shrimp scampi. And I'm going to use it as a mayo spread for Thomas's sandwich.
Ugh. This is gross.
Especially since we had to dilute it twice just to eat it.
Oh shit. Oh. Good thing I cleared out the sink. In fact, I think I'm gonna move the dishes over when he does something stupid.
Okay.
Okay, that's enough of the sandwich one?
Yeah. Let me put the rest of this away. But he's got to come in the house to eat it so we can see him.
Okay. Want me to get him?
I can't really tell it. I'll tell him I put some mustard on it.
Okay. You want to tell him? This is gonna be some funny ass shit.
Actually, I probably should put it a little bit.
Plus, if he refuses to come into the house, we can always get Mr. Giggles.
Oh yeah. Alright, Thomas, choose. But you gotta come in the house. It's a piece of my Italian sandwich. I put mustard on it, so... Sorry, I want the rest of my sandwich! Okay?
Me out here with the fucking camera for no fucking reason.
Just eat it! Open your mouth and eat it! Oh, let me get the light.
Holy shit. What, you like? I need the light.
Oh, sorry. Come on, you gotta finish it.
The fuck you put in it?
I put some mustard in it.
Oh, it tastes like mustard.
Fuck.
Yeah, that's mustard.
That's not mustard.
That's mustard.
That
with
is
no
mustard.
seasoning in it.
That's a new type of mustard. It's a new type of a deli mustard.
Uh-huh.
She bought it at Walmart because she.
You wanted
my
food.
mom-
You got food.
My mom put it.
No, that's Frank's mustard.
This is sounding good right now.
And it's not that one.
It's not my spicy brown. Why would I use my spicy brown mustard?
He's putting spicy brown on it.
Hey, you better get out of my mustard, boy. You better get out of my mustard, boy. That's my mustard.
Oh, come on.
Keep it up, Mom might have to kiss you or something.
Here, Mom. You can finish it. It's for me.
No.
It's for me.
You eat it.
asked her
It's your
for
sandwich.
food.
You
I
eat
didn't
it.
ask you to put that stuff in it.
No, I put some mustard in it for you. You asked for real food, so I gave you real food. Now, are you going to
Well, I want to see the mustard that you guys put in it. I want to see the bottle.
It's actually not a bottle, it's a tub.
This is gonna be great.
See? See?
Holy shit. That's some spicy crap.
This is interesting.
Do you have your water that you can drink?
Well, it's still, I am trying to videotape you.
Yeah, so.
You gonna be alright?
No.
Finish it!
Be nice.
Be a man! Finish
Come
it!
on! You're halfway there, Thomas!
Finish it!
Bring it
Finish
down.
it! Finish
Where's the
it!
water?
What is
Mom.
this?
Here, I'll even get him another water. But you gotta finish that.
Can I have a part of a real sandwich after this?
Well, I guess if you can finish it.
Can you give me a part of your sandwich?
Well,
I ain't got a sandwich.
what makes him say that that's not a real sandwich, though?
Come on, I have a partial of a real sandwich after this. I'll eat it, but as long as I get another sandwich.
Yes, I will give you part of the rest of my sandwich. If you
Come on,
finish that.
entertain me, damn it.
Yeah, really.
Mom,
What?
I need you to spell these.
What?
Why don't you get in the kitchen so I can
Did you finish
videotape this? No, with the faces.
See, I even said he could drink some. Here, this might help. I even gave you the good one out of the two. I made him drink a strawberry citrus before I let him have that one. Come on, wash it down. Come on.
Finish it.
No!
Come on, 2 bites. 2 bites.
What is it?
Come on, Thomas.
Finish it, we'll tell you.
Yeah, finish it and Mommy will tell you. Come on. You're almost there.
No, he finishes it, I'll tell him.
No, actually, there's
What
another
is
line
it?
that goes along with it.
Finish it, we'll tell you.
Finish it and I will tell you. Come on.
Come on, whoop it down. Scarf it.
You got a drink there. You can drink as much as you want. Okay. Oh, Chris, were you able to see all the label when I showed it to the camera?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. That's because you stopped chewing. And there goes the water. Or the sports drink.
Damn, I didn't even get to tell him what it was.
Not yet. Well, since he threw it up, do we have to tell him now?
I'll tell him what it was.
No, I will.
Bird shit.
Was it really bullshit?
Yes.
Yeah, I scraped it off my car.
Remember her bird shit?
Bird shit.
No, Thomas. Thomas. Thomas.
You really made me eat bird shit?
No, he didn't really make you
John,
bird
come in
shit.
here.
That's payback for filming Tommy Bird without me.
What?
The mystery drink episode. This was Mom's
Was it
payback.
really bird shit?
Yes, it was. No, it wasn't, Thomas.
He's gonna puke.
Yeah, but bring
Get
it.
to
He's in the fucking bathroom!
Hey, it's our bathroom!
No stone.
And just keep in mind too what Patrick said. It all comes out of the same hole. Okay, you want to know what it really was?
Thomas. Thomas. Do you honestly think I would make you eat bird shit?
What was it?
It is concentrated shrimp scampi mix.
That has lots of garlic.
It
and a bunch
is
of
very
other
strong
stuff.
on heart. He smelled it. He smelled it straight from the top. But I kept the label from him.
Oh. Holy fuck. They really fed me bird shit.
Anything to say? You only got a few seconds left.
This is fucked up shit.
And this concludes another episode of Tommy Bird.